into the package? Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know, you can never be too safe. I think I'm good. No, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Does that look good? Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Hey guys, hope you guys are well, and hopefully you guys are doing all of the necessary precautions to keep the coronavirus from spreading to as many people as possible. Yes, the situations are pretty bad, but we do what we can to minimize the spread. Now, before we get started, what I did at the beginning of this video was completely unnecessary. I just thought it'd be pretty funny, and I'm pretty sure I read online that the transmission through boxes is pretty low. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm safe regardless of whether I did it or not, but I thought it'd be pretty funny, and I hope it was. I hope you guys think it was. Now let's get on to this iPad Pro unboxing. We're just gonna go ahead with starting with the unboxing. So there it is. You know, there's probably coronavirus on this too, but I mean, what am I gonna do about it? So I got the space gray. Oh. Yeah, that looks really nice. Think about this. Wow, look at that. Now let's just power it on. Now we're gonna let that boot up for a second, and I'll just take a look at what's inside. So usually they come with just a literature package, and I heard they don't come with stickers anymore, so there's that. Yeah, I guess there's not much to look through here. And this comes with your 18-watt power brick, as well as a USB-C cable. Nothing too exciting there, except this is the first one of these that I've had. And yeah, there's not much to it. We'll put that aside, and then here's the iPad. Hello. Wow, my battery's at 100%. That's really weird. They usually come in at about 50 or about like 70%. Now I'm just gonna finish setting up my iPad, and then I'll come back to you guys just to talk a little bit about the iPad. So I've set up my iPad, and one thing that I did want to try was the voice memos. They added some really good microphones in here apparently, and I was just wanting to try that out for myself to see what the difference in quality is. So they added, I think, 5 studio microphones, and MKBHD tested this in his video, and I was kind of in shock because from his own microphone to the iPad, there was not a really significant difference, so I just wanted to try that out for myself. Now, the microphone I normally use is just the one built in my camera. It's not anything special, but I just want to see the difference in quality from my iPad to the camera. Oh yeah, so I did order a case off Amazon beforehand, and it did come in earlier. It's very reflective. You can see what's on my computer. Yeah, so it came in before, and it fits. It works. It's not Apple's case, but it's just a $20 thing off Amazon that I got, and it served its function really well, so that's good. So if you are wondering about why I got this iPad, even though I already have a MacBook, it's because in my lectures I'm constantly writing down notes, and for those in engineering that know, it's a lot of equations, so it's really impractical to just type everything, especially with math. It's kind of what my notes look like. And since I have to scan this all the time, put it on my computer, it's a little bit tedious to constantly do that every day. And I thought if I got an iPad, I can just minimize the extra work I need to do outside of taking the notes. So if I'm focusing more on the notes, I should be doing better in school, hopefully, fingers crossed. And yeah, I just thought having an iPad would be really cool, just so that I can be further in the Apple ecosystem. So be sure to let me know down in the comments below if you want to see a review about this in a week or so. I can't do one right now because I've only had it for 30 minutes, and I also don't have an Apple Pencil, and I feel like those two things don't make for a good iPad review. If you have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments and I'll reply to every single one of them. So yeah, I think that's it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe out there, guys. Peace.